I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing coconut tiramisu recipe. All the details are in the description below. You're going to whisk your egg yolks with vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. You're going to heat coconut condensed milk until almost boiling and slowly whisk it into the egg yolks. Get mascarpone cheese, fold that into the egg mixture. Then you're going to refrigerate it for at least an hour or two until it's thickened. Make the coconut sauce. It's coconut milk with coconut condensed milk. Heat it up so it blends perfectly. Then make your whipped cream. You want to whip it until it's almost stiff peaks. Then you're going to add the chilled egg mixture and you're going to fold that in until smooth. Next, you're going to dunk the Ladyfingers. It's just a dunk, 3 seconds only, or else your Ladyfingers will be soggy. Add a layer of the whip. Put in the dunked Ladyfingers and make a whole layer out of it. Then you're going to add sweetened coconut flakes sparingly. Don't overdo it. Then you're going to do it again. You're going to put lots and lots of the whipped mascarpone egg mixture and you're going to gently spread that. You're going to add another layer of the dunked Ladyfingers and again a sprinkle of the sweetened coconut flakes. And then you're going to top it off again with the whipped mixture and very gently, don't press it, just gently spread it. Get the sides and everything. Toast sweetened coconut flakes until they're brown and toasty. You need to really watch it so they don't burn, and spread it all over the top. Then chill the coconut tiramisu overnight. Look at that. It just sets so beautifully. It's perfect texture. It's not droopy, it's not wet. The Ladyfingers are airy. It is really a velvety, beautiful coconut tiramisu recipe. Please follow, like, and subscribe for more Asian recipes. Thanks, guys.